In a bid to fulfill the vision and mission of the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, CP Edun towards restructuring and capacity building of officers and men serving under the Lagos State Police Command, it has necessitated the Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Area M, ACP Gbenga Adeoye, to engage all investigators and prosecuting officers across all 6 divisional police stations under Area M, namely Ikotun, Idimu, Isheri, Oshun, Igondo, Shasha, and Gowon Estate Divisional Police Stations, to be converted together at the Area Command on a one-day exclusive training and retraining of personnel on professional ways of obtaining statements and investigating cases.
The purpose of the gathering is one of our activities and endeavored to continue retraining our men on issues, topical issues in policing that will assist them in whatever they are doing, particularly in form of investigation. It's going to be a kind of capacity building of investigating police officers that will help them in the course of their investigation activities. Statement taking is the foundation of any successful investigation. If statements of parties are not professionally taken with the appropriate ingredient contained in it, that will be the beginning of the failure of such an investigation.
While highlighting the objectives and steps to follow in any case, ACP Gbenga Adeoye emphasized the attributes to achieve good results on investigation activities, namely who, why, when, what, where, how, fairness, timeliness, and confidentiality. Reacting to the subject above, attendees, however, deeply expressed their gratitude to the Area M Commander for the eye-opener and additional knowledge acquired.
The lecture is very, very good. Why? Because it reminds us of our duties. What we have written or gone through before, now the lecture has made us to remind ourselves and to know more of our duties. It's very fantastic. Why? Because we are attached to civilians outside. You get me? As we are moving with the civilians outside, it made us to be bold in terms of our work, in terms of relating with the public outside. So it gives us the boldness, it gives us the initiative more.
It helps us in investigation from the crime officer. It helps us in investigations. It tells us more what to do and to educate our junior ranks how to go on about their investigations to prove their case.
In the same vein, some of the attendees also chatted with our correspondents and commended the command with an emphasis that such lectures should be held frequently to enhance productivity.
The lecture is very, very important. The lecture made us to understand some mistakes we have been doing. Through the lecture, we were able to correct our mistakes. Especially when you are investigating a case, you will know the step to take.
In fact, it is a very good lecture, and I pray that you will continue to schedule such lecture to us, because we have learned so many things that we did not know before through the lecture.
ACP Gbenga Adeoye sees the privilege to implore the officers to adopt ideas and apply diplomacy while investigating, without forgetting the Criminal Code and the Police Act. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.